Welcome back to Online Trailblazer Dad, where we bring you practical tips and solutions. In this video, we're here to guide you through the process on how to use GCash as payment solution for international transactions. Keep in mind that GCash Global Pay is available in select countries only and exclusively for fully verified GCash users. Let's dive in. First things first, to use GCash for international transactions, you need to be fully verified. We'll show you how to check if you are fully verified. First step, open your GCash app. Next, in the lower right corner of the screen, click on Profile. If the fully verified option is checked, it indicates that you are an already verified GCash user. Get real-time foreign exchange rates. GCash always use the lowest exchange rates when calculating your payment. Skip the service fees. GCash doesn't charge service fees, so your entire travel budget can go to your trip. Keep track of your travel budget. View your receipts in pesos to help you manage your budget. You may pay via QR internationally if the merchant is a partner of Alipay Plus. I will show you the step-by-step procedure. First, open the GCash app and tap the QR option on the bottom navigation bar. Next, tap on the Pay Abroad with Alipay Plus button. This will generate your QR or barcode. Once the QR or barcode is displayed, show it to the cashier. Let the cashier scan your personal QR code. That's it. You can now view, download, or share your receipt. GCash Pay QR is available in select countries where Alipay Plus is available. As of now, Alipay Plus is supported in 11 countries. Let's find out where you can take advantage of this feature. Japan, Singapore, Malaysia, South Korea, United Kingdom, France, Italy, Germany, Australia, Spain, and lastly, Qatar. Thank you for joining us, and we hope that you found this video to be helpful. Don't forget to hit the thumbs up and please subscribe to our channel. See you on our next video.